guess what we're going to be doing today? Yippee! We got our auger, till behind auger. Found out the brake lights do work on it, so that's good. And we're going to be taking this here on a nice, beautiful, rainy day. Only fit for geese. Now, as you can see here, Long Lake here is alive and well around the RV. And I just trudged in with my mud boots here because we're going to get this bad boy rolling and start drilling for some fence posts. Wrestling this thing is not fun. Not fun at all. Whew, gotta keep going though. Gotta return this thing tonight. Whew, these hands are really not cut out for this cold weather. I think I'm gonna go in after a few more of these poles go in. I started putting them in there. You can see them in the distance. Getting my steps in today, that's for sure. Here's the line. Kind of see it like that. Posts are all this way, that way, but they're in the line. I thought I'd run out of gas. It ran out of gas, so I gotta go get some gas. There we go. So I got the posts in and the holes all dug and the posts in. Not necessarily in that order. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the inside of my RV, the old ubiquitous long hauler 2. As you can see here, we've had some fence post stuff going on. Yep, been doing that. Doing a lot of projects here, and just trying to keep ahead of things for the spring season, and we got a lot going on, a lot more going on than I thought I'd have even going on. Okay, rain's been hitting my stuff here. Big raindrops. Oh, look at that. Yeah, this is why we need a same thing that we had at the last house right in here. We need a detention area. Drop that down and you can see further on. I'm gonna try to stop here, but there's water flowing like mad back here. Look at that. So yeah.